Hey, how's it going everyone? It's Jess, content manager at Space Creators. In today's video, I'm telling you why your business absolutely needs Pinterest. Now, I know what you may be thinking. Pinterest is just something your mom uses to find recipes and home decor ideas, but actually, I've got to let you in on a little secret. Pinterest is so much more than that. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 main reasons you need to be on Pinterest and why you need to get on immediately. Out of all of the platforms available to you, Pinterest may be just the biggest driver of traffic to you and your services. Traffic is the amount of people who visit your content, and traffic converts to sales, followers, downloads, subscribers, and fans. Reason number 2. Everything that you post to Pinterest can be backlinked directly to your website, also known as SEO, which is helping you rank higher in Google searches. This makes it easier to capture your audience and then convert them into customers. To learn more about SEO, check out this great video made by our SEO expert, Blair. I'll link it in the description down below. Now we've come to reason number 3. So believe it or not, Pinterest is actually one of the biggest resources used by people when they're getting ready to make a purchase. In fact, over 90% of pinners are actually using Pinterest in order to plan a purchase. With a good Pinterest strategy, your business will be in the forefront of your customer's mind when they're ready to pull out their wallet and make that purchase. Unlike other platforms, the number of followers you have on Pinterest doesn't matter at all. It's more about getting the right followers. Creating content that helps your audience, makes their life easier, or makes them money will go a really long way. So as you can see, Pinterest is absolutely crucial for increasing your exposure and engaging with your target audience. So if you're ready to get on Pinterest, but you're still feeling like you need a little bit of help, we got you. Contact our team by visiting our website at spacecreators.com. We really are the experts when it comes to growing your business in the online space. We love what we do and we're happy to help you and your business grow. If you have any questions about Pinterest or any of our other offerings, just leave them in the comments below. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content coming your way soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.